here there should be some doors. Yeah, there is.
I got some kale. I found another one. Found another turtle.
The little hut is done. We just need some
Sugarcane.
stuff.
More sugarcane. I keep jumping off everything, thinking my health's gonna regen.
And it doesn't.
Exactly. How do you swim?
Good question.
How do you swim?
Good question.
Good question.
Let's get some grassies.
I'm gonna move the beds real quick. So
There's a wolf. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you putting the beds in the ground?
Starless of choice. Also gives us a bit more room, roof-wise. I'll take that cow. Not cow.
That's
Go.
my goal.
I'm putting it in the bloody thing. Also.
Shut up. That. Wow, now you have 50. Whoa. I need to reset my spawn point. It's not. There we go.
Right. Get that. No! Oh my god. Oh, for f***'s sake. Well, we're gonna have to put in some more sand now.
Shut up.
Someone seems so incapable. Just handing me the glass.
Stop bullying me. That's my iron.
Our iron.
This is myself. Fuck. No.
We're just sharing. If you want, you can make it. Actually.
No, I don't want to. I'm sharing.
Yeah. Oh my god, I look like a force to be reckoned with right now. I've got double shield. Jesus.
Wait.
Alright, well at least we're now safe and we have a somewhat alright sized house. I mean, to expand it we can just literally make a bunker, which I'm gonna do. Alright, this is a pretty... Yeah, the basement I think is pretty much the exact same. It's actually bigger than the house, I think.